Kumno yalam liang persya naka AITC ubadairu Menteri Rang Ba Barim Kajela u Dr. Mukul sangma hakasin thok diang ula ong ba un bishar bnia halor kinoki kendan ain la ajing ujor na legal notice persya ya u da u Henry Lalrem sanga ubadai u chairman jong Katubi Group of Companies. Habakren Syllad patai kubor umukul ula ong ba umpat syam layok peliang satya ya kateka legal notice na u Henry. Ula ong ru ba un abot un pej kabakum kano kata ka legal notice pat halor ki eki kendon jong ka an ya kaba u Henry un pha sha u hakane ka notice. Ki don ru kato kat ne ki sinjam ki baka kenhon ya sat ne legal team jong ki kitem. Kum tang ilong ki bala kre lada kalawan. Ka legal notice bala pha da ka ke kharma phlang ka bade ka noya sat an jong u Henry Lalrem sanga kadawa na umukul ba udeban panma klem dabu kendon hapo kat nyusngi namar ka jing keno klem nongrim persya aya ulal rem sanga kumustar khay drok ne drok kingpin la dawa ban siu ya kabay mynrain khmat kaba arpo Klur hapo kan nyusngi na du balayo pediang ya kani ka notice lom kumta on mudoi da ka mukot duma kam boman criminal but civil suit persya aya u haying kashari la dawa ru ban sangi amardor ban kren ne penmi shu ya kino ki jingkren kento ki bom shisha persya ya ulal rem sanga bat ban long ki batengkan ya utlej habakran kat kum balap tha da ka ying bishar ba khri do kari kani ka notice kalong ban penpai halor ka jingkren jong umukul sangma hapo ka ying dorbar thau an haka khat khandai tarik bat arpho tarik mentau benai la ong ba umukul ula kentho bat penjak burom ka bom don ka jing shisha kalawan ra ya ka jing snodiau ka bajur ya ulal rem sanga ya ka ying ka sem jong u bat ya ki kam ba ule shabar kari kani kala khata ru ya ka jai ben riu mizo khmat ka perthai ka notice ka ong ru ba ya u Henry Lalrem sanga la kem bakla house nam arjar khatlai habaya dei bar ka jing yok kurup ya ki dawai bashalan watla udon ya ka license ki babyang kaying khashari Special Court NDPS Act Patiala House Court New Delhi haka arjar kharpra kalapan court ya ka ni ka mukot duma da ka boong baduna palat ki saki ban penchisha ya ka jing penkhen an la ban kedo ba Dr. Mukul sangma habaya shim benta haka motion halor ka jing shirkhai jong udrok hapo ka dorbar senrai ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ula keno ya Menteri Rang Ba Kajela ukonrat ke sangma halor ka jing don jia dei ka bajan bat une usnar khai drong kata da ka bapen iru ya ki dor ha ka mobile phone jong u ka bapen i ya ukonrat ka kurim jong u bat u Henry Lalrem sanga hapo ka we ka jingalang ka bakerpang ka balalong hapo Delhi ya ka ne ka jingkren jong umukul laweng no da ulam phang ka ying dorbar nakimat ya tai hapo ka ying dorbar ha ka si ka babun kata ha ka arpho tarik mentau benai nakaliang umukul sangma ula kentho ya Chief Minister ka jela halor ka jingra ya ka ni ka mat shabar ka ying dorbar but ajing modru ba ka ni ka legal notice ha ka jing shisha deban pha sha Chief Minister ka jela ka jingkran jonga hapo ka ying dorbar ka long ka basai ka long khamtam ha ka baya dei bat ka jing ajing mod na ka panta Chief Minister ka jela deitang Chief Minister ubalara ya ka ni ka kam shabar ka ying dorbar ula deban pha ya ka ni ka legal notice sha Chief Minister ka jela o Dr. Mukul sangma.
Those are available, but I will not comment on. I have not seen the notice. So it's up to the media to interpret in whatever way you like. But I would rather say what I have said in the House is available. It is in the public domain, though it has been expunged subsequently. But please remember one thing: after my submission in the August House, with a clear intent, the intent is reflected of my way of submission of the facts. Okay. In the interest of the people, keeping in mind the kind of situation that is now prevailing in the state, not only in the state of Meghalaya, but across Northeast, and the kind of situation which is considered alarming. That's the only reason why this issue was brought. There were too many issues pertaining to the same topic. There was a 0-hour notice, there was a one under Rule 54, then another one in the form of motion where we participated. So look at the issue. Why has this issue been tabled by honorable members of this August House, both from the opposition and the treasury benches? Obviously, this particular situation has drawn the attention of everybody. Alarming situation has cropped up in the recent year. In last 5 years, the concern that is being reflected is because of what has happened in last 5 years, the exponential growth of supply chain, creating that easy access to the end users. That is a matter of concern. That is the responsibility of the government to see how we can go after the supply chain. Okay, how to go against after supply chain. There are relevant laws. There are relevant laws to deal with this. But then, are the relevant laws enough? Are the relevant laws being effectively implemented? Those are questions to be raised. And that's what exactly is done in the House, whether it is in Parliament, whether it is in the assemblies, by the respective state legislatures and the Parliament. Now, in as far as this case is concerned, after having raised this issue, what was spoken by me pertaining to that issue inside the House is available. But outside the House, when the Chief Minister himself started speaking outside the House, he should send this legal notice to the CM only until I see the legal notice. Because you're aware of the relevant provisions of the Constitution pertaining to the privileges that is provided for the members of both state legislatures and the Parliament. Okay. If the legal notice has been served, I have to receive it. So I'll wait. I will see what type of legal notice is given and what are the provisions of law under which he is sending me this notice. There are also certain aspects which they will be knowing, their legal team will be knowing. So we'll deal with them as they come. That's why I'm saying which provision of law provides him that opportunity to send me that legal notice will be examined. Inside the August House, my statement is very clear. It has been more of an advisory to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is only the Chief Minister who has taken it outside the House. He should send a legal notice to the Chief Minister. I will not comment on those things. What did I refer? I referred to the media article. You see, you are talking about somebody's, whatever has happened. I also have narrated the year, date also, you see. So what does it indicate? I have narrated the date. So it is up to others to read between the lines.